Hallo, willkommen zur Exzellent Sprachschule. Ich bin Sunil Virani und euer Deutschunterrichter. Hello, welcome to Excellent Language Institute. I am Sunil Virani and your German tutor. In this video, we are going to talk about pronunciation rules for CH. In German language, we can say Regel für CH or we can say Ausspracheregel für CH. Aussprache means pronunciation. Okay, so let's start it. See. If the alphabet before CH is I, E, S, U or umlauts, then the pronunciation of CH will be sh. Means like if alphabet before CH is I, E, U, S or umlaut, then the pronunciation of CH will be sh. For example, see I, E, S, U and umlaut, right? See, let's take example. See, we have CH here, right? See, before CH we have I. Before CH, if there will be I, then pronunciation of CH will be sh, sh. We can say SH or in Hindi we have wrote sh, right? So, before CH there is I, pronunciation of CH is sh. All over pronunciation of this word is ish. In ish, it means I as a subject. Okay, now in this example, see, before CH E is coming. Before CH E is coming. Okay, so E is A, right? In German language E is A. So A, CH will be sh, esh and at the end ta. So esht, esht. It means real. Esht, it means real. Now let's talk about this example. See, here we have CH and before CH we have S. Whenever SCH will come together, the overall pronunciation of SCH altogether it will be sh. Okay, so sh o no, sh o no, like sh o will be show no. Okay, shown, shown, and it means already. Now see, here we have CH, before CH we have EU. Whenever EU will come before CH, then as well pronunciation of CH will be sh. See, we have just discussed in earlier video that pronunciation of EU will be oy, right? So oish. Okay, so oish. Overall pronunciation of this word will be oish, oish, and it means you. See, this you is not as the subject, it is as personal pronomen accusative, or we can say personal pronomen dative. See, you don't know about that, just remember that this you is not as subject here. Okay, so oish is not a subject. Just even if you don't remember that, for now it will be okay. See, here if umlauts is coming, we have CH here as well CH. Before CH we have umlaut. Okay, here we have amit umlaut, here we have umit umlaut. So pronunciation of CH will be sh. So bu umlaut like bu, sh, and whenever er will come together and it will be at the end, then as we have talked, pronunciation of er at the end will be okay, so busher, busher means books. Here pronunciation of amit umlaut is a, right? So f, a like fe, sh, r. So fesher. So this is busher, fesher. Busher means books, fesher means subjects. Okay, see, if before ch, like before this ch, okay, if I is not coming, E is not coming, S is not coming, U is not coming, or any umlaut is not coming, then pronunciation will be kh. If you know programming language, then maybe you understand concept of if and else. Okay, so pronunciation of ch will be kh if these conditions are not met. Okay, for example, we have in this example ch here. Before ch there is not I. See, there is not I, there is not E, there is not S, not EU, not any umlaut. Then the pronunciation of this ch will be kh. Okay, So it is book, book. Okay, book, it means book. Here fa, it is fa, k. Okay, fak means subject. So we can say both of these are singular here, and here both of these are plural. Okay, if we are talking about one book, we can say book. Okay, and if we are talking about more than one book, means we are talking about in plural, then it would be Bücher. Same way, fak singular, Fächer as plural. Okay, now apart from these rules from ch, okay, apart from these rules from ch, if chen, if chen will come at the end of the word, pronunciation, if chen will come at the end of the word, then pronunciation of chen will be like, we can say like pronunciation of chen will be shan. Okay, pronunciation of chen will be shan. For example, see, this is mu umlaut, it is mu, right? Mu, no, shan, München. Okay, München. See, München is a city in Germany. In English we call it Munich. Okay, Munich. So chen will come at the end, then also pronunciation of ch will be sh, right? If chen will come at the end, then also pronunciation of ch will be sh. So overall pronunciation of this will be München. We can take another example as well. See, chen is coming at the end, so amit umlaut is a, like may, Mädchen. Okay, Mädchen. D we are pronouncing here really less, so pronunciation will be, we are writing here in Hindi, but pronunciation will be really less, Mädchen. Okay, Mädchen. And here this will be München. Okay, München. So for ch we can say we have two rules. If before ch these alphabets are coming, then sh. If chen is coming at the end, then sh. Else, if both these rules are not applying, then ch pronunciation is k. Okay, that's it.